According to a recent study from Statista.com, YouTube is expected to grow by nearly 25% to reach a user base of 1.2 billion users. So people are watching and searching YouTube more than ever, which is why your videos must rank as high as possible. Now, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to plan and optimize your videos so that not only can they rank higher, but also get more views. Let's get started. Okay, so to start, we need to figure out what topic we want to publish a video on. So we will be using Keywords Everywhere to help us out. Now, this is a browser add-on that you can install for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. So once you have this installed, do a simple search on YouTube. Now, let's just say we have maybe a channel on woodworking and we want to figure out what types of videos we should be publishing. So I searched for woodworking, and as you can see, the average monthly search volume is over 40,000 per month, which is quite high, a very popular topic. But this keyword is pretty broad, pretty general, and it's kind of hard to figure out what specific topics we can create a video on. So what you need to do is click on Find YouTube Keywords for Woodworking. Now, when you click on this button right here, Keywords Everywhere will generate this report for you. It found over 1,000 YouTube keywords for our search term woodworking. Now keep in mind, these keywords are from YouTube, so this is as accurate as you can get. Okay, so you have a list of long tail YouTube keywords right here, along with the average monthly search volume. So since these are long tail keywords, you have a much better idea of what types of videos you can record. Let's just say we want to record like a how-to video. Now let me see if there are any long tail keywords that start with how-to. So I'm going to type how-to in the search box. Okay, now we could see all of the long tail keywords that start with how-to. So something more specific, right? So this first one says, how to get into woodworking, which has an average monthly search volume of 480. How to buy wood for woodworking, same average monthly search volume. Now this one stands out to me, right? That's a pretty interesting question, interesting topic that we can potentially record a video on. So let's dive a little bit deeper. So what you should do now is search for this keyword on YouTube. So I searched how to buy wood for woodworking, and you could see all of these ranking videos. So this first organic one is where to buy wood for woodworking projects, local and online. The next one is how to buy lumber and plywood at a hardwood dealer, so on and so forth. Now on the right-hand side, we could see some widgets from Keywords Everywhere. This widget right here shows us the most used tags from all of these ranking videos. So it is recommended to add these tags to your video as well. But aside from that, how can we plan and optimize our video on this term, how to buy wood for woodworking? So we will be using AI. So you can see this widget right here. How can I rank for this YouTube search? So we can ask ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. So I'm going to try ChatGPT for this example. So I'm going to click on this button, and Keywords Everywhere will give it this very descriptive prompt with all of the data pulled from this page and all of these widgets on the right-hand side. So it's a very long prompt, and let's see what ChatGPT gives us. All right, so the YouTube search query analyzed how to buy wood for woodworking. So it analyzed the volume and difficulty. So ChatGPT says this should be an easy query to rank for, which is really good news. And ChatGPT also analyzed the SERP as well. It says you can expect a lot of views from this video, which is nice. And it's interesting to note that the average age is 3 years, which means you can expect to get views to this video for a long time. So some really great insights that you can pull from all of the data in the SERP. It also provides you with the user intent analysis as well. So it says, users are looking to understand where and how to buy the right type of wood or lumber for their woodworking projects, whether local or online. They want guidance on identifying types of wood, sourcing tips, and avoiding mistakes when buying lumber. So this is what people want to know more about when they search for that keyword, how to buy wood for woodworking. So that's very important to know and understand. Now, this is where the optimization comes into play. So under video analysis, it says, I recommend creating a video between 10 to 20 minutes in length, focused on serving that user intent and having the below title and description. So no longer do we need to manually create our YouTube titles and descriptions. ChatGPT will give that for us. So it says here for the title, Where to Buy Wood for Woodworking, Beginner's Guide to Local and Online Lumber. And this is the description that you can add to your video as well. Now, if you want to create a YouTube short, you could take a look at the shorts analysis right here. It gives you a list of titles and descriptions for your YouTube shorts. And of course, the video tags, okay? So it does pull the tags right here. And now you have this nice list of all of these tags that you can make sure you add to your video as well. Now, if you follow all of these recommendations from ChatGPT, you will have a much better chance of not only ranking higher, but also getting more views to your videos. So hopefully you thought this video was helpful. If you did, smash that like button and also subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out any other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen. Thanks.